Cooper, I'll go back to your opening speech, right? Because So this question is for you. I'll go back to your opening speech because I liked it. There are some points there.
Make it short.
Very short.
You've only got 12 minutes.
Yeah, we have.
We're all hungry.
Don't worry.
We're all feeling hungry.
So, come on. I'll come to
And I've got to go back to Satara. Come on.
Yes.
Wife is waiting.
So a very short one. You said, the foundries, everybody used to say it's a coal mine.
Coal mine.
Yeah, and who waited became gold mine, right?
People who said it was coal mines, unfortunately, were auditors and consultants.
Yeah. I
don't want to mention names. I don't want to be rude.
Yes. So I'm coming to that, So I'm sure that you must have taken few steps to understand that. You must have taken some practical steps, right? To ensure that it becomes gold mine. How to reduce your emissions. If one or two things which you can share.
Basic fundamental production is not going to stop. The world wants food, the world wants foundries, the world wants everything.
Yes.
So you can't switch off one thing and say you're going to the other.
Yes.
You all have to live in a particular environment, like fish in an ocean.
Yes.
You'll have big fish, you'll have small fish, or animals in a jungle. One is not going to eliminate the other. You have to live in harmony. So saying that, close the foundry doesn't work.
Yes.
And it's proved that way too.
Yeah. But you must have taken some steps to ensure that the emissions are reduced. So that the emissions are reduced so that you can continue working on those foundry. Otherwise those emissions will stop it, right?
Emissions.
Yeah.
Emissions.
We are always emission compliant.
Great. So what are the things you did, right?
Some actions.
Well, as I told you, I walked into situations which opened doors. Well, quickly I'll tell you. I'm not an engineer, and I don't want to be one, because the engineer trouble and solves them. I went into a company in England, and I said, I don't know what to make. I don't know what to pay you. Here is the drawing. I believe you, you believe me. Come and prove it out. I looked him in the eye, and he gave me the world-class machinery.
Great.
Pollution control.
Yeah.
Still doing the same thing.
Great.
That goes for everything. It's an empathy.
Yes.
So,
Yes, I think.
whatever you do the best.
Yes.
And everything else follows.
Yeah.
Whether you have good hygiene, whether you have good housekeeping, whether you have good everything. If you raise your bar, everything follows. You have to decide that you want to be the first class.
Yes.
And not chalta hai.
Yeah. So that's the point. You have to be energy compliant. If you need to spend, you need to spend, right? That's what is required.
Next question.
Yeah.
I'll be short. You be short, I'll be short.
So let's move to the other session so that we can quickly close it. I have 9 minutes left.
You finish me with me? Oh, no.
Yeah, if you want.
No, I can stay. But
9 minutes is what we have. 9 minutes.
It's up to the audience.
Yes.